Hello everyone, Sean here again with another little video, this time on changing a mixed number to a top-heavy fraction. Remember a top-heavy fraction, we looked at that on a previous video. It's basically when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and the top number is bigger than the bottom number. We'll look at how that works on an example. If I have something like 3.5, I want to make that into a top-heavy fraction. Well, what I've got to do, I've got to do the opposite of what I did when I was making top-heavy fraction into a mixed number. So what I'm looking at here, I'm thinking, okay, I've got to do 3 times 2. So I'm multiplying the big number by the denominator, which is 2. 3 times 2. And then I've got to add that 1 onto it. And all of that's going to be over the denominator that stays the same, which is 2. 3 times 2 gives me 6, plus 1 gives me 7. So the answer to that would be 7 over 2. 3.5 is equivalent to 7 over 2. Which would be right, because if you think about it, there'll be 6 halves making up 3, or 3 wholes, and there'll be half left over. So 7 over 2 would definitely equal 3.5. If we look at another example, if we do 2 4/5, same logic. I'm multiplying my 2, my big number, by my denominator 5, and when I'm adding that 4. 2 times 5 plus 4, all over the bottom number, the denominator that stays the same, it's 5. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 4 is going to give me 14. 14 over 5, my bottom number, my denominator remains the same. One more example, let's try something a bit bigger. If we do 9 6/7, again I'm doing the same routine. I'm doing 9, my big number, times my bottom number 7, my denominator, and I'm adding 6 to it, yeah? All over my bottom denominator, my bottom number stays the same, it's going to be 7. So I'm doing 9 times 7, which is going to give me 63. 63 plus 6 is going to give me 69, and all of that's going to be over 7. So that's how that works.